Yeah, but I think you're a hoe. Look how you're eating. Look how you're slurping on that thing like it's a big old fat. I don't want to hear that bull crap. Would you like it if I was in the car eating my food and the way you eat is annoying? You eat like a freaking hoe. Give me this. You're not getting no more stuff. Ah! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, y'all, Lauren has been getting me back to back with these pranks and I'm so tired of it. I'm tired of it, okay? So you know what? I thought of something. Well, I didn't think of something, but there's this video that was going around. It was like some trend where like you basically make noises while you're eating. So I was like, you know what? Since we're about to go pick up her kids and she also needs to put gas, we're gonna stop at the gas station. I'm gonna run in there, get some snacks. Basically just gonna be making noises while I like eat my snacks and stuff. If you guys have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also follow me and Lauren on our social medias. Everything will be down in the description below. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys are notified every time that I post, because your girl is posting back to back. I'm back on my grind mode. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm waiting for her. She's actually inside getting baby Ezra ready because they have a photo shoot later. So and these girls know that I'm nasty. Shay, we're doing our annual photo shoots. Are you thirsty?
Yeah. I know, I'm excited. I can't wait.
Is that cup good?
What?
Almost on.
Oh yeah, it's really good.
Mine wasn't tasting that good though. I'm trying to see which pop you had.
Well, I have Dr. Pepper. What do you have?
It's not.
Girl, we're always eating Popeyes.
We are.
Right?
Popeyes is the best fast food ever. I told you, girl. I've never heard you smack like that.
What do you mean?
You are so extra. I never heard you smack like
Really?
that. Never.
Girl.
Yeah, what?
What?
You sitting there gargling your goddamn pop. Carry away, that's fine. Shay, let me try this. What's in this drink? I want to try it. Like, what is in? What is in your drink?
It's a Shay Dr. Pepper.
Let me try the drink. Should I try the drink?
Try the drink.
What's
girl.
so good about the drink?
What do you mean? It's just Dr. Pepper. It's Shay Dr. Pepper.
It's not that good to me. I'm not understanding why you.
I'm not making those noises.
You are. I can't even do the noises. Like.
Because I'm not doing the noises. If you can't do them, then I'm not doing them.
Shay, I just tried the drink. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Have fun. If you wanna make all the noises, it's fine.
Yeah.
She's
so
like there,
cute.
right? The pilgrim.
I'm gonna get some snacks. Do you want something?
I'm okay. I have my stuff.
I'll be back.
Okay. I was waiting till you come back because the baby.
I got M&M's, Funyuns, and a lollipop.
Somebody got the munchies.
Yeah, girl.
Got the munchies. Let me get one.
Oh, pour on you?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Girl, I only need 2. That's too many.
Oh, we can give it back.
It's okay. I'll have them. You can give it back. They're mine now.
Oh?
Ew. What was that?
What?
I can't even do it.
I didn't even do that, bro.
Shame.
I didn't do that. Ezra, that was probably Ezra. You don't hear her making noises? Huh? Keep moving, bro.
You're
I've been telling you, like, you be waking up.
Are you like praying?
I'm not praying. Girl, you want your period go?
Are you like?
You don't need to stop to. No.
Are you like in heat? When's the last time you had sex? When's the last time you had sex, Shay?
Like 2 years ago.
You're lying. You're freaking lying! Shay! You're being nasty as ever. I have my baby in the car, Shay. You're making all these moaning noises. You need to stop, Shay. You're being like moaning, so my daughter's in the car. Like, are you horny? You need some, do you need some pipe?
Why are you so pressed?
Why are you so like making all these noises? I'm gonna get my kids and I'll be back out. Hopefully you're like done with your noises. What's up open here? Did you guys have fun at daycare? Girl, you and these noises. Shay, I'm sorry to say it, but I think you're a hoe. Only hoes do
Can
that.
you call me a hoe?
I am, girl. You slurping like you're a 304.
Girl.
Like, look how you're sucking on that thing.
I'm eating it normal.
I think you need you some pipe. Let me call your boyfriend. Let me tell him like your girl is like missing you.
Girl, you
need to text your man to get you some pipe today. Cause Shay, what? Girl.
You're like
you're
complaining
taking
about how I eat.
No, you're taking your horniness out on your food.
Girl, mind your business and drive.
I'm being for real though. I'm on my business, but you're in the car and you're being very loud and obnoxious over your food. Like, look how you're eating. Look how you're slurping on that thing like it's a big old fat. See? What you? I'm minding my business. Hold on. How can I even mind my business when you're eating like a goddamn freaking... Give me this. You're not getting no more sucker.
Ah!
You're not getting no more sucker. You don't need no more sucker. And I would take these shit. You're like doing the most. You're making all these damn noises. Here. Pissing me off. I don't want to hear that bull crap. Would you like it if I was in the car eating my food and
I'm not doing that.
Maybe
though.
get out my damn dress.
I'm not doing
Like, you're
that.
pissing me off. You're being annoying. You are doing that. You're doing it worse. Trying to be funny. It's not funny. That's why I threw your dang sucker out. Throw your other food out too. You don't need to eat near me because the way you eat is annoying. You eat like a freaking hoe.
All right.
Give me this damn drink, bro. You're not drinking no more, bro. You're done. You're done, Shay.
It's a prank.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's a prank. It's a prank.
So you annoy me?
I was making noises while I was eating.
You were making some like you was like wanting some.
No, I was
like
not.
I'm your man. You trying to turn me on or something?
What? It was
That's what you do subliminally.
Lauren.
Shay. Shay. Lauren.
Girl.
Shay.
No, I wanted to prank you because
But
you got me.
But I threw your food out. That's what you get. Now I got this all on my skirt. Thank you. Have to edit it out.
Mm-hmm.
Blur it out. Yes. Let's look at the baby wipes.
Doesn't
Doesn't it stain in there? It dries clear?
Yeah. I'm kidding.
I'll throw your chips out too.
No.
You play too much. So you doing that on purpose?
Yeah.
I'm like, is she like hating? Huh?
You can keep that, by the way. And I can keep this, by the way.
Okay. I do want some chips.
So you want my chips?
I do want them. You can't have them, but I can have them. Thank you.
I'll let you keep them just because I pranked you, but
Thank you.
you got me last time. You wiped pooped on me. So I wanted to get you mad. How does it feel to
But I
get
got your
mad?
chips.
Well, I didn't want I didn't want them though.
I thought you were.
I was not. You were gonna make a mess of a photo shoot.
You were
Yeah.
you were literally doing like that.
You're doing that too right now.
Nah. I can do it too.
So you can't.
Nah. Oh, Daddy.
We're ending today's video. We got Lauren, because she always want to get me. Focus on the driving, girl. Focus on the driving. So you mad. So you mad. So you mad. So you mad. So you
I'm
mad.
gonna focus on this fist up your. You play too much.
I don't. You get me, so I get you.
That was the most. I think that was the most annoying. That was the most annoying one you did though.
Out of
Like how
everything.
cringe that was to hear you moaning. Like you know how cringe that was.
That's cringe. That's
It was
cringe.
cringe. Like imagine me sitting here. You'd be looking at me like,
No, I
girl,
wasn't
it's personal.
Yeah, but I wasn't always doing that. I was making other noises too.
No shit, you moaned like probably at least a good like few times.
I said.
No shit, you over
I did
here
that.
moaning, girl.
Anyways, y'all.
Mm.
We're into. My drink away, no.
How does it feel to be pranked with your own prank?
How does it feel for you?
Because I can do it too. No, 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 no.
We're out, y'all. Subscribe. Head over to her channel and subscribe. And
Scare her face. She's stuck.
This is Ezra. And we're out.